Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to download and open Rufus on Windows. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so just follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Rufus official website and press enter. Click on the official Rufus website. Once the website opens, scroll down until you see the download section. Here you'll find the latest version of Rufus available for download. Click on the latest Rufus download link. The file will begin downloading automatically. Rufus is a lightweight application, so the download should only take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Now double-click the Rufus file. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. Rufus does not require a traditional installation process because it is a portable application. As soon as you open it, Rufus is ready to use. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, software guides, and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.